Hey, if you are wondering why Always on Display is not working on your POCO M8, let me quickly show you. First of all, we have to open the settings. Now we have to go into the personalization and go for Always on Display. Now as you can see, it's working only for 10 seconds after you tap on the screen, and sometimes when you turn on the battery saver, this will be turned off. So first of all, make sure that you are gonna unselect that option if you often using battery saver, because your Always on Display will be not visible. And if you already turn it off, you have to remember to simply click on your screen to actually get that information, because after the 10 seconds it's gonna disappear and there is no any good way to actually fix that. Now when I'm gonna click, we'll get it back. You can turn on the system optimization, but it will actually give you some other issues and bugs, so it's not recommended. The only thing that you can actually do if you really want to get this always, you will have to open the Movies Edge application. You will have to, of course, download this one from the Google Play Store, and now you can pick any theme that you want and you can set this always, so it will be like the real Always on Display on your smartphone.